show you how to fix a common problem that happens when you travel between different Wi-Fi networks. Your DNS settings getting stuck and breaking your internet connection. Here's what happens. When you connect to different Wi-Fi networks, maybe switching between home, work, or a coffee shop, sometimes your DNS settings get changed to manual or static configuration to make that connection. The problem is, those manual settings only work on that specific network. When you connect to a different Wi-Fi, those old DNS servers can't be reached anymore and you lose internet access, even though your Wi-Fi shows you're connected. Let me show you what this looks like. First, let's test our connection. I'll open up the command prompt by pressing the Windows key plus R and then typing CMD and hitting enter. Now let's see if we can ping Google. As you can see, we are getting requests timed out or it can't find the host. DNS isn't working. Now let's try the browser. I'll open up Edge and try to go to ESPN.com and Google.com. And as you can see, there's the error. The site can't be reached. We are connected to Wi-Fi but can't access any websites. Let's fix this. Click the Start button and open up Settings. Click on Network and Internet on the left sidebar. Now click on Wi-Fi and then click on your currently connected network. You'll see it listed as connected underneath. Scroll down and you'll see DNS server assignment. Notice it says manual. That's our problem. Click the edit button next to DNS server settings. In this pop-up, change the drop-down from manual to automatic. Click save and perfect. Now it shows automatic DHCP. Let's verify the change worked. Scroll all the way down to More Adapter Options under Advanced Network Settings. This opens up the Network Connections window. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4 in the list, select it, and click Properties. Perfect. You can now see that it's set to obtain DNS server's address automatically. Our change worked. Click OK and close. Now let's test if the internet is working. Back to the command prompt, let's ping Google again. Excellent. We are now getting replies from the Google servers. DNS is working. Let's check the browser. I'll go to ESPN.com and Google.com and voila, that is working too. And that's it. Your DNS is now set to automatic and will work on any Wi-Fi network you connect to. If this helped, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows tips. Thanks for watching.